Let's go. Let's go check out the new Halo. I'm not sure. Hi guys, it's me again. So today we're gonna be showing today we're gonna be showing off Earth if you haven't seen it. So let me show you. So this is the this is a piano right here. I'm sorry, I'm a little sick. And here's the Halloween event shop. You can get some cool accessories from it. Here's just a plain window. That's really boring. Hi person. Here's the wheel. You can spin it, but I can't spin it away. Yeah. Here's the coming soon. I really want it to come. Please come. Let's go. Oh, shit. Oh, that's a cute sign, isn't it? Here's a spider. That's cute. Oh, here's the back. Here's the dumpster place, wherever it is. Oh, that's nice. That's fire. Here's the thing. I'm not sure if you can go through these, but there's like chests down here. See? Somewhere. Here, kind of slowly get up. Hey, let me up. Hey, hey. Get off. Okay, sorry. So now, if you go over here, there's a nice little cafe. Oh yeah, I love this hot chocolate latte and pumpkin, whatever it's called. It's delicious. It's really cute too. He's so cute. So funny. Here, you can sit here and eat your stuff. Oh, a nice cupcake. Well, I'll see you later. Bye.